When there's a spill of hydrocarbons, whether that's crude oil from a pipeline or whether that's diesel from a ship, any kind of hydrocarbon mixture, there are microorganisms in the ocean that can go at it. They're the first responders in that emergency situation. In the microbial world, you can imagine that they're just doing their thing in the ocean, sort of giving us oxygen to breathe and all the things they normally do. But then there's a major pollution event. It doesn't have to be an oil spill, it could be other kinds of pollution, and the microbial diversity reorganizes itself. And if you've been monitoring that and tracking that, you'll have a nice metric to be able to know, yes, something's happened, and maybe also to know when things get back to normal. What this kind of research offers us is a chance to understand, maybe a good way of putting it is, do the bugs have our back if there's a spill? And to what extent? They may or may not, and that's the kind of research we want to do. We're very interested in sort of getting a more nuanced understanding of the situation, not just we know that bugs eat oil. We know that, and we want to understand that in a bit more detail so that we can make some more sophisticated predictions and maybe do risk assessments that are a bit more informed based on marine microbiology. We just want to get microbiology on the radar because we think that these oil-eating bugs have a lot to offer, and there's probably a lot of nuance where we can sort of dig into that and really understand that in detail. That'll be beneficial for Canadian industry, Canadians, and super interesting science.